In the current market, options for compact Android phones are somewhat limited. You have the choice of going for the mainstream Galaxy S series or taking the alternative path by opting for a tall and narrow Xperia phone, which has gained popularity among the hipster crowd. However, Asus has taken the concept of a compact flagship, nurtured it, and allowed it to flourish. The result is the Zenfone 8, which has become synonymous with the idea of a compact flagship. Now, Asus has introduced the Zenfone 10, and the question arises, is it superior to the Galaxy S23, especially considering both devices come with the same price tag? So let's find out in our today's video, as we're going to explore the details by comparing the Zenfone 10 and Galaxy S23.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say? An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer videos simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which altogether create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands of completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Let's start with the design. So the design of the Asus Zenfone 10 tends to be polarizing, much like the famous Mermite spread. The use of bio-based polycarbonate for the rear panel is commendable, as it aims to reduce petrochemical use in the manufacturing process by 50%. However, the actual texture of the phone leaves something to be desired. It has a sandpaper-like or nail file-like feel, which we found to be not that much appealing. Additionally, the phone feels relatively thin and somewhat hollow to us, which is not ideal considering its price tag. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S23 boasts an elegant and minimalist design that aligns it visually with the top-tier Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. One notable feature is its glass rear panel, which contributes to a luxurious and high-end feel, setting it apart from Asus in terms of premium aesthetics. Conversely, the rear of the Galaxy S23 is prone to shattering and tends to attract fingerprints, which can be a downside for some users. In this regard, the Zenfone 10 offers the advantage of being usable without a case, which is undoubtedly a positive aspect worth considering. Coming to the display section, we know nothing can beat the clarity and vibrance of Samsung's AMOLED. The Galaxy S23 has a 6.1 inches display, which is slightly larger compared to Zenfone 10's 5.9 inches display. Also, the S23 utilizes LTPO technology, allowing for a dynamic refresh rate ranging from 48 to 120 Hz. Additionally, the Galaxy S23 outshines the Zenfone 10 in terms of peak brightness, reaching an impressive 1750 nits compared to 1100 nits. These disparities highlight the superior screen capabilities of the Galaxy S23 compared to its Zenfone counterpart. Unlike the Galaxy S23, Zenfone 10 is limited to fixed display refresh rates, namely 60, 90, and 120 Hz. However, the Zenfone 10 does offer a notable advantage for gaming enthusiasts. In gaming scenarios, it has the ability to override to a refresh rate of 144 Hz, making it a valuable feature for those who enjoy mobile gaming. One of the most significant distinctions between these two phones, and perhaps a crucial factor for many of us, is the camera capabilities. The Galaxy S23 boasts a dedicated telephoto camera providing optical zoom functionality, while the Zenfone 10 relies on digital zoom. On the other hand, both phones exhibit similarities when it comes to their main and ultra-wide cameras. On paper, they both utilize 50-megapixel sensors with comparable apertures and sensor sizes. However, considering the advancements in computational photography, it becomes imperative to assess the real-world performance under various conditions to determine the superior choice. Unexpectedly, the Zenfone 10 captures images with noticeably more vibrant and saturated colors compared to the Galaxy S23. Samsung has been renowned for its signature vibrant color reproduction in recent years, but it appears that Asus has now adopted and excelled in delivering similar eye-catching and vivid color tones, rivaling Samsung's expertise in this aspect. When it comes to capturing detail, both the Zenfone 10 and the Galaxy S23 exhibit comparable performance, which is to be expected given their similar sensor capabilities. However, there are some notable distinctions in their image processing. The Zenfone 10 has a tendency to overexpose images, particularly in bright lighting conditions. In contrast, the Galaxy S23 excels in producing well-balanced photos with a slightly improved dynamic range, allowing for more accurate exposure across various lighting scenarios. When it comes to hardware, the Zenfone 10 and the Galaxy S23 boast strikingly similar components, particularly the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Both phones offer a base configuration of 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. However, the Zenfone 10 sets itself apart by providing the option to upgrade to more substantial specifications, including up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. While this higher-end option does come with an additional cost, the flexibility to customize and acquire a more powerful variant is available to those who prioritize enhanced performance and storage capacity. One notable advantage of the Zenfone 10 is its significantly larger battery capacity compared to the Galaxy S23. With the 4300 mAh battery, the Zenfone 10 surpasses the 3900 mAh battery capacity of the Galaxy S23. Additionally, the Zenfone 10 offers faster charging speeds with support for up to 30 watts wired charging that's included in the box. On the other hand, the Galaxy S23 supports 25 watts charging, but you need to purchase it separately. In short, the Zenfone 10 poses a significant challenge to Samsung with its compelling features and the positive reception of its predecessor. While it may not cause a drastic shift in the smartphone market share, the Zenfone 10 has garnered attention and is being considered by certain individuals as a viable alternative to the more widely recognized Samsung Galaxy S23. Samsung now faces a strong competition from Asus as the Zenfone 10 establishes itself as a noteworthy contender in the market. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.